Now, all right. Hello, everyone. Nice to meet you again. Welcome back to TBT in class with me. Today, I have a simple word that I want to share this one to everyone. You can see on the whiteboard now. Is it clear? I'm not sure you can see it clearly, but I hope you learn some phrases and collocations, also structures. ហ្នឹងហើយខ្ញុំមកថ្ងៃនេះដូចជារឿងផ្លែកបន្តិចដោយសារអត់មានសក់ដូចសពដងហើយខ្ញុំសង្ឃឹមថាពាក្យនេះនឹងអាចជួយអ្នកនរគ្នាឲ្យដឹងពីការប្រើប្រាស់វាបានច្រើនមិនមែនតែពាក្យទេអ្នកនរគ្នាអាចរៀនជា clear ជាប្រយោគជាមួយនឹងពាក្យនេះឯង alright you know how to pronounce it yes one